in the morning midnight snack. Oh, nasa gas station muna. Nasa Lancaster na kami, guys. Lancaster. Not healthy pa. 2 a.m. eh. Katulad po sa Jollibee. We will buy some pares. Hi, Gizzy! Say hi! Hi! Hi, Mami! Say hi, Gizzy! Gizzy, say hi! Hi! Say hi, Dada!
Hi.
Say hi! Eat tayo! 2 a.m. in the morning, not healthy. This is not healthy anymore. Midnight snack of 2 a.m. No, this is not healthy anymore. So cold. So I brought my blanket. Wow.